Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here's how to remove your info from Melissa, step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Go to the Melissa homepage, scroll down and click Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Information. A new form will pop up. Enter your details and select the Delete option under Consumer Privacy Request. Hit Submit Request Form to complete the process. You'll get a confirmation message and your info will be removed from the Melissa website. Congratulations on opting out of Melissa. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.